wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best green screens for streamers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you'd rather invest in a quality gaming system than a professional-grade fabric, the andoer backdrop is a good wallet-friendly choice. It works well with OBS, even if your lighting isn't perfect, and it's machine washable, so stains won't be the end of the world. It's made of a non-woven material with crimped edges that help prevent tears. However, it doesn't have any rod pockets. At number 9, a simple no-frills option. The AW Cotton doesn't come with any extra equipment, just a seamless muslin backdrop. As long as you have a well-lit space, all you have to do is set it up on a stand or tape it to a wall and let the fun begin. Its overlocked edges prevent tearing, and it also comes in grey, black and white. But light from behind can bleed through. Coming in at number 8 on our list. When in use, the Cowboystudio panel is plenty wide enough for any Let's Play video. Once your stream is over, it can fold down to a mere 30 by 30 inches, and since it only weighs about 4 pounds, it's incredibly easy to store and transport. It includes a zippered case and built-in loops for hanging. However, the surface is somewhat reflective. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for green screens for streamers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Limostudio 9x13 foot offers you a terrific value for the price, thanks to a gloss-free surface that's easy to wipe clean. If you already have a stand, this would make a great replacement for a damaged or low-quality screen. The material can be ironed and is seamless. It costs less than $40. Moving up our list to number 6. If your YouTube channel has more than just gaming videos, you might appreciate the versatility of the fancierstudio chromakey kit. This 6x9 foot backdrop is great for both close-ups and wider shots, so you can use it for anything from a Skype call to a short film. It's machine washable and comes with light bouncing umbrellas. However, the included stands are a bit flimsy. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Acro product's portable can fold down to a conveniently small size, which is great if you like to film from a location other than home. It comes with a lightweight yet sturdy X-frame that you can use to keep it flat and wrinkle-free. The micro fleece material helps to hide dirt, and it's got an anti-reflective surface. It weighs around 5 pounds. At number 4, if you're not worried about getting wide coverage, then the fotodiox Pro might be just what you're looking for. It's designed to be reversible, so if you want to wear green without disappearing, you can flip it over and use it as a blue screen instead. It includes a durable metal frame and a 24-month warranty. Setup is quick and easy. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you're just starting out and want to take your new endeavor seriously, the ephoto lighting kit is a great way to get all the equipment you need in one place. The assortment of lights, tripods and softboxes will ensure that both you and your background are properly lit. It comes with a carrying case and an adjustable support stand. The screen measures 10 by 20 feet. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for green screens for streamers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, gaming is something that can be done from the comfort of your seat, so the webaround webcam is a great choice for any Twitch personality. This 56-inch disc can fit onto the back of most chairs, including those fancy racing-style bucket seats. It's also available in blue or grey, and a steel spring keeps it perfectly flat. It works well for video chats. And coming in at number 1 on our list. Made of durable polyester, the Elgato collapsible is wrinkle-resistant, so you don't have to worry about uneven keying. It folds down into a compact case, so you can store it in even the smallest of closets when it's not in use. It features an auto-locking frame and measures nearly 5 feet wide. It can be set up in seconds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for green screens for streamers, or simply click beneath this video.